Find a comfortable place to sit where you will not be disturbed. Close your eyes either partially or fully. Take a few deep breaths here. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. You may wish to place one hand on your belly and another on your chest. Feel the rise and fall of your torso with each breath. Imagine yourself inhaling calmness, and with each exhale, release any tension and stress you're holding on to. Slowly breathing in and out one more time. Now let your breath return to its natural rhythm. You may wish to keep your hand on your chest, perhaps inching a little closer to your heart, as we move now to cultivate a sense of gratitude within. First, bring your attention to something you are experiencing in this present moment. Perhaps the sensation of your breath as you breathe in and out, or where your body is touching the ground, cushion, or chair. Maybe you feel the sun or wind on your skin. As you focus on this sensation, feel gratitude rise within you. Express gratitude for being able to experience this present moment, to be able to take the time to feel what you are feeling. Now, shift your focus to someone you have a connection with. This might be a family member, friend, or even a pet. Reflect on how knowing them has made your life better. What do you admire about them? How have they supported you? Appreciate what this connection means. Feel your heart fill with love as you express gratitude for their role in your life. Turn your attention to a small joy that you experience in your daily life. Perhaps something you have never even thought to appreciate before, because it's just always there. This could be a reliable mode of transportation, the view out of a window, access to hot water, or something that just makes your life easier. What do you take for granted? What big difference does this seemingly small thing make? Appreciate its presence in your life. As we end this meditation, express gratitude to yourself for taking the time to meditate today. Set an intention to take this appreciation with you through the rest of your day, paying attention to how your experiences assist you. Gently open your eyes when you are ready. Look around, notice any shapes or colors that draw your attention. Look at them with intrigue as you anchor yourself back into the present. Namaste.